Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on equalstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math and then click on view all lessons. Here you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter 2 dimensional figures. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can take examples and definitions as well, right? Okay, here I am on the grade 4 math. The chapter we are on right now is 2 dimensional figures. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is open and closed shapes. Let's just start with the lesson. So how do we know if a shape is open or closed? You have to trace the shape, right? If you started and at the same point, that means the shape is closed. And if you started and at the different points, that means the shape is open, right? So the first one is that is a closed shape, right? You have to trace the shape. Let's just see how do we trace like this. Start from here and you go like this. See, you started it and they're at the same point, right? So that means that is a closed shape. Let's just start with the test questions. Is the shape open or closed, which is the correct option? The shape is closed. The correct option is closed. Can you guys please stop chatting and answer the questions I'm asking? You guys are here to learn, so please focus on the learning. Is the shape open or closed, which is the correct option? Yes, that is an open shape. The correct option is open. Okay. Is the shape open or closed? Which is the correct option? Yes, open it is. The correct option is open. Is the shape open or closed? Closed. It is option number B, is the correct option. Is the shape open or closed? Yes, open it is. The correct option is open. Is the shape open or closed? Yes, closed. It is. The correct option is closed. Is the shape open or closed? Very good. Closed. It is. The correct option is closed. Is the shape open or closed? Yes, open it is. The correct option is open. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson, right? And the next lesson is it a polygon? Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, is this a polygon? Which is the correct option? The correct option is this is not a polygon, right? It is an open shape, not closed. Also, it doesn't have any straight lines, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Can you guys please stop chatting? Or I'm going to block you one by one. Is this a polygon, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is a polygon, right? The correct option is yes. Polygon is a closed shape and must have a straight line, right? Is this a polygon, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is a polygon, right? The correct option is no, this is not a polygon. The correct option is no. Is this a polygon? No, this is not a polygon. The correct option is no. Is this a polygon? This is no. The correct option is no. Is this a polygon? No, this is not a polygon. That's a triangle. But that is a closed shape and straight line. So yes, that is a polygon. Poly means more than one sides, right? So yes, that is a polygon. Is this a polygon? No, this is not a polygon. The correct option is no. Is this a polygon? No, it is not a. This is not a polygon. The correct option is this a polygon? The correct option is yes, this is a polygon. Option number one is the correct option. Is this a polygon? Yes, it is a polygon. The correct option is yes. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson, right? The next lesson is number of sides and polygons. Let's just start with the next lesson. How many sides does a heptagon have? So hepta means seven, right? So heptagon have seven sides. The correct option is seven. How many sides does an anagon have? So the correct option is nonagon means nine. So nonagon have nine sides. Let's just start with the test questions. How many sides does a heptagon have? So which is the correct option? Heptagon have seven sides. So the correct option is seven. Option number one is the correct option. Can you guys please stop chatting? How many sides does a quadrilateral have? Quadrilateral have four sides. The correct option is four. How many sides does a pentagon have? Which is the correct option? Pentagon have five sides. The correct option is five. How many sides does a nonagon have, which is the correct option? Nonagon have nine sides. The correct option is option number one. No, 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 nonagon have nine sides. Quadrilateral have three. How many sides does a triangle have, which is the correct option? Triangle have three sides. The correct option is three. How many sides does an octagon have, which is the correct option? The correct option is octagon have eight sides. The correct option is eight. How many sides does a decagon have? So which is the correct option? Decagon have 10 sides. The correct option is 10. How many sides does a hexagon have? Which is the correct option? Hexagon have eight sides, but here you are given six. No, octagon have eight. Hexagon have six sides. The correct option is six. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting lines. Let's just start with the lesson. Are these lines parallel? The correct option is no. The parallel lines they never intersect, right? The parallel lines never intersect. Let's just start with the test questions. Are these lines perpendicular, which is the correct option? No, they are not perpendicular. They are the intersecting lines, right?
Okay.
Oh, sorry, perpendicular lines. Yeah. Perpendicular lines are the one that have the angle that is exactly 90 degrees, right? So where is the angle that is exactly 90 degrees? So yes, that is a perpendicular lines, right? The correct option is perpendicular. Are these lines intersecting? Once I look at your chat, I stop, like, I forget what I am teaching. You just create so much mess in the chatting option. I think I have to block this chatting option because you guys just use this for chit chat. They are intersecting on one point. The correct option is less. Are these lines perpendicular? The correct option is no, they are not perpendicular. Yes, they are parallel lines. The correct option is yes. Parallel lines never intersect each other, right? Are these lines parallel? No, they are not parallel. The correct option is no. Are these lines perpendicular, which is the correct option? The correct option is no, they are not perpendicular, right? Are these lines parallel? No, they are not parallel, right? They are perpendicular lines. They make exactly 90-degree angles, so they are not parallel. Are these lines intersecting? Yes, they are intersecting, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Today, let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is lines, line segments, and trees. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is this line or ray? Which is the correct option? That is a ray. The correct option is ray. What is this ray or line segment? Which is the correct option? Line segment it is. The correct option is line segment. What is this? Line or ray? Yes, ray it is. The correct option is ray. Don't worry, that's a line. The correct option is line. What is this line or ray? The correct option is ray it is, right? What is this line segment? Yes, line segment it is. The correct option is line segment. Line it is. Option number one is the correct option. What is this line segment or line? Which is the correct option? Line it is. Option number one. Line segment it is. Option number one is the correct option. That is a line. The correct option is line. What is this line segment? line segment it is, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is parts of a circle. Let's just start with the next lesson. What is X? X is the center of the circle, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What is QR? QR is the chord, right? Radius is the line that touch the circle on the 2 points and that passing through the center of the circle, right? So this line is touching the circle at 2 points, but it doesn't passing through the circle. So that is just a chord. What is K? Yes, K is the center of the circle. The correct option is center. What is LM? Chord or center? LM is the chord. The correct option is chord. What is RS? Which is the correct option? The correct option is RS is the radius, right? The line that starts from the center of the circle and that is on any point on the circle, that would be a radius. The correct option is radius. What is XY, which is the correct option? XY is the diameter. The correct option is diameter it is. What is QR, which is the correct option? Chord it is. The correct option is chord. Option number one is the correct option. What is U, which is the correct option? The correct option is U is the center of the circle. The correct option is center. What is NO, radius or center, which is the correct option? Yes, NO is the radius of the circle. The correct option is radius. What is SD, radius or chord? Yes, chord it is. The correct option is chord. What is DU, diameter or radius? Yes, diameter it is, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself here today. So we were working on grade 5 math. Chapter we were working on is two-dimensional figures. The lessons we have covered today are open and closed shapes. Is it a polygon? Number of sides in polygon? Parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting lines. Lines, line segments, and rays, and parts of a circle. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask questions. I'm here to answer all of your questions and confusions. Any questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.